Property managers, Colin Rogers, Universal Property Systems once again. We're living in an interesting environment at the moment, and we're living in an interesting environment around property management because we're told now we can't do routine inspections, and that's a core part of our job and a core part of our service offering to our landlord clients. We've been able to find an innovative solution today and into the future that we can use as property managers, Realm, where in effect the tenant does the routine inspections for you. Now, as a property manager, I have used the system. I've even put myself in the place of a tenant and conducted my own routine inspection. And I tell you what, as a property manager, I just thought, wow, why haven't we been doing this for years? I'd like to introduce you to Patrick Hill from Realm, who will go over what the system is all about. Patrick, can you give us an overview of how Realm works and how we can go about getting it set up in our offices?
Yeah, so remote inspections is one of the modules that Realm offers. It's in response to COVID-19, social distancing laws and all that kind of stuff. You do have to provide your service levels and continue to raise them in this industry. And right now that's really difficult. A lot of our clients are being inundated with inquiries and calls, and they're overloaded and they're not quite sure how to do this. So effectively, you go to a website, on our website, you click on the link to sign up. You put in your details as a company, and then you start adding your property managers. The property managers do the same thing. They go in, they fill out the form. There's 4 questions: the address, the tenant name, the phone number, so we can send them SMS reminders, and the email address. And then it sends them a link on their phone to their email address. And so on an iPad, on a telephone, on a desktop, whatever it is, they can click it and open it, and it's mobile responsive, ready to go. And they just basically upload the photos for each room, make some comments if there's any issues, check that it's working, undamaged, and clean. And at the end, they sign a declaration of it's accurate and correct. Now, off the back of that, immediately the property manager gets a report. It's in PDF format. It details all the photos. It collates all the information, all the comments, has a disclaimer in there for the landlord so that they know that this was supplied by the tenant and that you will catch any damage or any other things on the exit routine. And so that's covered as well. The whole system is free to join, no contract, and really, really easy and simple to use. And it puts the onus back on the tenant, whereas in other ways of doing it, you would have to try and make sure they're tech enabled, make sure that they can get Zoom or Skype or these things. You'd have to be there with them when they do it. It's a huge load for property management teams when they've got a whole lot of things that they need to worry about right now. But this is really easy. And so then all of the reminders, all the emails, all the SMSs, all the follow-ups, all the conversations, they all get taken care of by Realm. And then it links correctly back to your property management software. So if you, let's say, had Property Me and you had the catch-all email address on, we'd also email the report directly to that, so it's straight into your trust accounting when it gets submitted. So it works really smoothly and easily. We've had probably 1,000 go out in the last 5 days, business days. And of those 1,000, we've had about 40% answered across our entire portfolio of companies that have signed up. There's about 120 companies right now. And of those, that 40% that have done it, they've done it really well. And so you're just dealing with the exceptions now. It makes it really simple.
Thanks so much, Patrick. We'll have on the screen here for you how you contact Patrick and the link so you can actually trial Realm yourself and see how sexy it is to do routine inspections, because we don't have to do a thing now as property managers. What we've got to look at is the situation that's been put upon us today. How do we future-proof ourselves and current-proof ourselves? And I think Realm is a big answer to that moving forward, because what you're going to be doing in today's environment, I'll tell you what, most of the industry have stopped doing their routine inspections. So automatically you're over-servicing your landlords and you're out-servicing and outperforming your competitors. I hope this has been of information for you. Please, I implore you, contact Patrick, go to the link for Realm and check it all out, because it will make a difference to your property management day today and also moving forward into the future. Patrick, thank you very much for your time, and thank you for bringing something to the table for property managers that is a game changer and that is real resource for a property manager. Thank you very much, Patrick.
Thanks, Colin. Cheers.
Thank you.
Bye.